Hey everyone, my name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Today we're looking at how to create an online course with Thrive Apprentice. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out the links in my description for my free course on affiliate marketing. So yeah, we're going to make an online course from scratch using Thrive Apprentice. Thrive Apprentice is a part of the Thrive suite, which used to be called Thrive Themes. They've just changed their names for Thrive Suite. Thrive Apprentice is just one plugin within the whole Thrive Suite. So you've got loads of different plugins. And trust me, if you're serious about online marketing, affiliate marketing, website design, this is the tool you have to get. Because it just allows you to do everything. And it's made for marketers. So, you know, everything you're going to need is within these tools. It costs about $90 every 3 months, quarterly. And when you think about it, if you've got something like ClickFunnels, which costs about $97 a month, this is way cheaper. And trust me, this runs circles around ClickFunnels and stuff like that because of the amount of stuff you can do on it. Okay, cool. Let's just get started. So you go to your Thrive dashboard, choose Thrive Apprentice. Then you want to add a course. So you go to add course, give it a name. So I'm going to be using a PLR course that I obtained for this without having me to, you know, record the videos, write the content and everything like that. But obviously if you're making a course from scratch, you need to record the videos, write out all your text and everything and have that ready when you're making this. So affiliate marketing, give the URL a name, affiliate marketing. Yep, that'll do. Give it a description. So this is the PLR course that I'm gonna use. Viking affiliate marketing. This is can't remember the people that made this, but they make some really good stuff like signature series and stuff like that. And yeah, I mean I picked up the whole signature series and all the Viking series and everything. It's like 50 courses for about $10 on Fiverr. So yeah, go and check that out. It's really good stuff that you can use. So copy that, paste. Cool. Add an image, a cover image. So let's just go with that. Just an image from Pixels. Cool. Alright. Okay, yeah, custom bio. Let's just go with the WordPress user bio. Allow comments. Underneath each course, your students will be allowed to add a comment. So I'll just leave that on just to show you. You can also add a video description, which is basically just a video of you just talking about what they're about to learn, you know, on each lesson or whatever, or on the whole course. I'll leave that off. I'll just leave it as text. You can still add text as well if you have that as well. So I'll just save. Cool, and that's it. So you start adding your content here. I'll just go through these tabs on the side. So the courses here, this shows you all your courses that you're making. Topic. You can add topics. I've got one as general, but you can add anything you want. YouTube marketing, affiliate marketing, weight loss, whatever you want, you know. Got dynamic labels. Now these labels come on throughout the course. Learn more. You can change all these, but I mean these are good enough. This is what you want anyway, so that's all good. And also you can have labels on there for subscribers, a premium course. So say you've got about 2-3 courses, only the subscribers will have access to one certain course. You've got paid people that would have access to the premium courses or no registration required. And obviously you can change the names of these anyway. So customers, I won't have any customers at the moment. Design, it's just your usual sort of like WordPress sort of stuff that you can change around. The main color, logo, font, Actually, I want to put it on Arial if it's got it. Save that. So that looks a bit better, doesn't it? Settings. These are your general settings for the page. Just turn that one off. Powered by Apprentice. Enable comments. You can enable comments. Show me the login form when not logged in. You know, go through these if you want them on or not. Email templates. Now, whenever someone joins your course, you can have this send out an email. Your account has been created. Gives them a username and password. So you've got certain email triggers here. You know, depending on how you're doing this course. If it's a paid course, then you can use ThriveCart when a user registers to create a new free account. So let's use that. Save. Also, login and registration. If you've made one, you can add it here, or you can just go and create a new one. I won't do that now. Logs, it just shows you the activity of everything, and you've got API keys there as well. You can connect to different programs. So that's it. Let's just oh no, what am I doing? So this is the one we just made. So let's just go in there and start adding the lessons. So go to content up the top, the 3 tabs here, restrictions, content. Restrictions, this is where you can set who sees what. So you've got subscribers only here, premium course, registration here, you know, the tags. And this will be on top, like a little label on top of the course saying who has access to it. And you can set it like subscriber, save. And then you go to content. So let's just add the modules for the content. So you've got choice of lessons, chapter, module. I'm going to go with, you can, they're all the same thing. I'm just going to go with chapter title. So I'm going to go back to this PLR. Chapter 1. Choose an affiliate marketing place. Save. Now, within the chapter, you add the lesson. And you've got a choice between text, audio, or video. And then I've got 4 videos in this current PLR course. Where is it? And with the videos, I'll show you. You need to have these uploaded to sort of YouTube or something. So give it a little description. Go back to, where is this? Chapter 1. So you've got allow user to comment on this lesson. I'll just leave it as yes. Now you have to upload your videos, so you can either put it on YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, or custom link. I'll suggest you do either Vimeo or Wistia, but for the purpose of this video, I've got them on YouTube, so I'll just quickly get the URLs for that. Copy. Got different controls. You can hide the controls, hide the full screen button. I don't know why people do that, hide the full screen button. They should, you know, when you're watching a video, you want to be able to full screen it. And even that, I don't know why people hide play controls, but anyway. Leave autoplay, hide the YouTube logo, that's fair enough. Yeah, leave all that. Cool. And that's it. That's for the first chapter, done. Let's go to the next one. I'm going to do these. If you see the screen being chopped, that means I've just skipped through it all because, you know, it's going to be a bit bit boring of you watching me copying and pasting. Let me see if I can just quickly do this though. Cool, next one. I mean these videos, this course is actually not bad at all. I was watching it the other day, and what he was talking about is exactly what you should be doing. To be fair, it's a good little course. Doesn't quite see the thing with these courses, it just tells you how to do it, but there's no click by click kind of thing going on to show you exactly what you need to do. But that's all good. You can use these as like lead magnets. Say you're doing a, what do you call it, like a pay-per-click, like a Google Ads sort of campaign, and you put a lead magnet for affiliate marketing, free course affiliate marketing. You can use this, make a course, put it on your first welcome email, and it's a good course, but you need more, and that's where you sell your main product. Like in this case, because it's about video marketing, I would sell the Simple Traffic Blueprint. Use this as a lead magnet, because Simple Traffic Blueprint is my #1 course, and that shows you click by click how to do YouTube, how to make your own YouTube business. What I know. That should be down here. Cool. Okay. One more chapter. Better plan. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, There's nothing to it, to be fair. It's really easy. This Thrive Apprentice really takes the headache out of making an online course. So yeah, I'll recommend this. I mean, this you can get these plugins individually. You don't have to get the whole Thrive suite, but I'd say you get the whole lot, because they're all amazing in their own right. I mean, I'm just doing a quick thing here just to show you how it all works, but you can spend time on this, add more text. Cool. That's it. 4 chapters. That's the free course done. So you can either publish these individually. You can just select all of them and publish the whole lot. So that's what I'm going to do. So publish. And that's it. And you can go preview course. And that's the course done, guys. That's easy. Look how easy that was. So you've got your overview there. You've got your chapters on the side here. It tells you if you've viewed it or not. Gives you a breakdown on the side here. You can add your logo. You can change the logo over here. Yeah, just make it completely your own course. That's it. You know, look at that. It's done. It's all done. People can leave their comments. And then, you know, let's go to start course. These are those buttons that you can change the wording to. Got your first course.
Of course, that link is an affiliate link, and every time someone clicks it, and
you know, and then yeah. I mean, you can put more text there. I didn't put any more text there, but you can have a whole document, you know, in there. And you know, students can leave comments once it's finished. You go to the next lesson. It's all done. It's such an easy thing to make and do. And like I said, if you've got PLRs, good courses, use them. Make courses out of them. Use them as PLR.
Probability of success.
Not PLR, sorry.
Anything that's up there in the hundreds might have such a high sales as to indicate it.
Not PLR. I mean, as lead magnets, you know. So yeah, I mean, look how easy that was. I mean, what did that take me? 10 minutes. I didn't spend no time in it. I didn't, you know, tweak it. I didn't change the logo at the top. And you know, you've got a full blown course going on there that you can use as a lead magnet. If you're recording your own course, you can use this as a paid course. And man, you know, just for, you know, and this is just one of the plugins within the Thrive suite. So guys, you need to get it. So there you go. You know, it's just, I can't like it enough, should I say. So there you go, guys. That's how you create an online course using Thrive Apprentice. And then, you know, you just give that link to people, put it in your email as your welcome email. So here's your free course to affiliate marketing. And, you know, start generating leads, start making money, you know, with your leads. Cool. All right. Well, I'll leave it there then. My name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out the links for my free course in affiliate marketing. And don't worry, it's not this course. The free course that I got is actually made by my mentor, Philip Bowerman. And that course is a professionally made course. And that, trust me, that free course will knock the socks off a lot of these affiliate marketing courses out there, paid courses. So definitely sign up for that because it's free, you know. Just sign in and log in. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Cool. Peace.